Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find the correct driver's seat position inside your Mercedes-Benz C180. First, when adjusting the seat, make sure that you are as far away from the driver's airbag as possible. You are sitting in a normal upright position. You can fasten the seat belt properly. You have moved the backrest to an almost vertical position. You have set the seat angle so that your thighs are gently supported. You can depress the pedals properly. This is important before you are going to set the correct driver's seat position. But now let's go to the steps. How do you set the correct driver's seat position inside your car? Okay, let's adjusting the seats electrically. So there are so many buttons at the side of your seats. One is for the seat cushion angle, the seat height, the seat fore and aft adjustment, the backrest angle, and head restraint height. And you are going to push the buttons, and then you can see what happens. In this case, the seat is coming upward. Oh, easy as you can see. And if you're going to push the button down, your seat is going down. Of course. Oh, simply clever, eh? So, and this is all adjustable, as you can see. You can move forward, backward, upward, downward, everything you like. And this is important to find the correct driver's seat position for yourself. And there's something else. This is so a lever, a round lever, as you can see. This is for the to make a hard and a soft inner seating position. This is nice and this is comfortable, really. As you can see now in the center, there is I don't know, a thing who's coming out of the seat a little bit for your back, and that feels a little bit harder for you. But if you like it, try it. Now, it's adjusting the head restraints. There is a button on the side. Push the button, and then you can lift up and come down with this thing. And if you like to extract all of it, you have to push on the downside. So now you are going to move the driver's seat forward and backward by using this lever under your seat. As you can see, do this if you are sitting on top of the seat. It's better. And there's some special stealth option to make a bigger seat. Only flip it out or flip it back in position. But now let's go. This is important thing too, the steering wheel adjustment. This is really manually. Only release a lever. Now you can adjust the steering wheel high and everything you like. After this, push back the lever in position and job's done. And as you can see, the model is inside. Now he's adjusting a little bit down and forward and upward, as you can see. And you have to feel fine. And it's important to reach the clutch pedal, on the brake pedal, the gas pedal, of course. And you have to push it down easily. This is important. And for another important thing is this back hold thing. This has to be in one line with your head on top. This is important too, because of an accident you will a little bit safer. So as you can see, the model is sitting nice and smooth, and now he's going to drive the car. Oh, so nice. So good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.